Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's videos, we are going to be installing LED switchbacks into these clear corner headlights so we get rid of the ugly amber. And I did put an LED in there. I'll probably do like a full video review on that because these LEDs are awesome. And now we're gonna have nice white light in here and a nice white light in here, and we're gonna be doing things a little bit differently. Most of the times, most of these videos, you'll see people putting these in with a resistor spliced into the turn signal wiring harness, but we're going to be doing things a little bit differently. And huge shout out to my buddy CJ Cars and Hobbies on YouTube. He showed me a different way of doing this that wouldn't require splicing into your turn signal wiring. So this is going to be much easier, much simpler, and I figured I'd make a quick video on it. So to get things started, you are going to want to pick up one of these LED electronic flasher resistors. This is going to replace the stock flasher resistor in your car, and I'll show you where that is. It's pretty simple. The old one plugs out and then this one plugs in. I picked this up on Amazon for about $15. Okay, so this little yellow box is what you want to be looking for. This is your turn signal flasher relay or whatever, and it is just up here. Usually you'll find it, mine was sitting, where was it? Right around where this blue wire is, tucked up right above here. And I honestly think, because like you can see the little slits on it, it all came out as one piece. I feel like it's supposed to just kind of slide off of the or like this kind of clip is supposed to stay where it sits, where it tucks away. But I don't know how the new one will fit. It should plug right in, hopefully, but this was a little difficult to get out. Just a heads up. So we are going to move back towards the headlight itself now, and they're usually held in by these two clips. They just slide right out. And I started off with unclipping the corner here, and I pulled the whole entire socket out of the headlight, or yeah, of the headlight. It's probably what's easiest to do, and I'll show you my old bulb. The amber on it is literally flaking off. Like you can see little bits and pieces of it right here, which is pretty not good. But we're gonna go throw in one of these LEDs and just make sure everything's working. Okay, so the LED is in there. I don't know if you can really see it, but let's test it out, and fingers crossed it works. And turn signal. Uh-oh. That's not supposed to do that, but let's see if it's working. Okay, it's on amber. Should come on with my daytime, or no, with my headlights, right? Oh, it's the wrong color. Okay, so I figured out what the problem was, and it turns out I had the LED in backwards. So I guess that is possible for these lights. So there's flicking on amber, and then if I go and stop that, there seems to be like a little bit of a delay, but the bulb is working and it looks good. So that's sorted that problem out. The flash relay is good and the bulb is good, so we'll just see how long it lasts. If it starts to get annoying, the clicker on that is it sounds kind of annoying, like you can hear it. And the only thing that kind of bothers me is a little bit of a delay, but probably won't really notice it after we have it in for a little while. So we're gonna go ahead and do the other side now and not make the same mistake. worked out pretty much perfect. No splicing required, just plug in that new little relay and it works, and I'm not complaining. So I don't know how long it'll hold up for, but hopefully it lasts a long time, and I think it looks awesome, and it's a quick and easy solution instead of splicing things together to your harness, which I was going to do originally. This is much easier, much quicker, takes much less effort, and yeah, I'd highly recommend that for anybody that is looking to do switchbacks. I'll link everything that I purchased in the description. All of it came off Amazon. $15 for the relay, and then I think like $30 for the LED itself, or like 25 bucks, something like that. But it's fairly cheap. It's a great upgrade for your car. We'll go ahead and turn that off, and I'll show you guys one more time with it running. Look at that, just regular white light. The headlights look great. Look at that. Anyways guys, no hyper flashing, none of that. This is perfect. Thank you guys all for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, comment, and a subscription, and I will see you guys all next time.